This 2020 Forest River R-Pod RP 195 is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 22 feet 2 inches in length and features sleeps 4, stove-top burner, smoke detector, leveling jacks, air conditioning, refrigerator, water heater, external shower, microwave, oven, carbon monoxide detector, and 30 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-living area, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2020 Forest River R-Pod RP 195 is 3,860 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.